Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Kanutaloa IP. Today we're going to see how to register a GDS372X door phone remotely, but the same process applies to any model in the new GDS series. We're going to create an extension. We'll use 1000, set the caller ID, the authentication ID, and this password. Be sure to copy it, then save and apply the changes. Let's log into the GDS. Go to Accounts, activate the account, enter an account name. We'll set up the SIP server at a later time. Enter the caller ID, set to 1000, enter 1000 in the Authenticate ID field as well, and paste the password here. For the SIP server, go to the IP PBX, to the section labeled Remote Connect, My Plan, and copy this URL. Go back and paste it into the field labeled SIP server. Scroll down and change Transversal NAT to Stun. Click Save and Apply. Go to SIP Settings, change the transport type to TLS/TCP, and click Save and Apply. Finally, go to Phone Settings, then General Settings, and in the Stun section, copy this address, the Stun address, and paste it into this field. Make sure there are no spaces, then click Save and Apply. With that, this device should now be registered remotely. Let's wait for it to activate, and if you look there, it's already registered. We'll go to the PBX in the same way, and the device should be registered there. Let's register a phone as well and proceed with the tests. We'll initiate a call from the doorbell by ringing the doorbell button. The phone rings. We answer. Two-way audio is established. And we hang up. We'll make a reverse call by dialing 1000, which is the video intercom's extension. The call comes through. Two-way audio is established. And we hang up. This concludes the video. Without further ado, I bid you farewell. That's all for today. If you liked the video, you know what to do. Leave me a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos. See you next time.